Beautiful description. Here's Swords. On the pull-up, a little too much on it. Beautiful description. Here's Swords. Beautiful description. Here's Swords.
In a win against Rutgers for the Ducks in late February, but averaging just 7.5 points on the season, Che. February. But averaging
Seagrass getting her first minutes of the day. And a foul, nope, a travel.
2 minutes left in the gold medal game. Plum driving again, comes back, Copper against Williams, won't go, comes back, Copper, comes back, Copper.
To the end of the floor, this is where he's having to work, right here.
And he's doing it very well.
Burks drives it into the paint.
Very well. Very well.
12 first quarter points in the last game they played. Doubling Jokic, shot clock at 6, outside to Murray, picked up by Beverly, shot clock at 3. Doubling Jokic, shot clock. Doubling Jokic, shot clock.
White, awkward shot, line drive, no.